Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by readying the file and device so recording proceeds without interruptions. Open your presentation in the PowerPoint or mobile office app and confirm slides are final. Then grant microphone and camera permissions in your phone settings. The app won't record without them. Once done, free up storage space, charge the phone above 50%, and close background apps to avoid lag. Now position your phone on a tripod or stable surface, so framing and audio remain consistent throughout the recording. You'll now enable recording inside PowerPoint and run a short test. Open Slideshow and choose Record Slideshow, or the mobile equivalent, to capture audio and video per slide. Test camera framing and speak at normal volume while checking mic levels. An external lavalier improves clarity when available. Record 1, slide as a practice, using your slide notes to stay on message, and use the pointer or annotations for emphasis. Make sure each slide's video and audio save properly before moving on to the full run. Finish by previewing the entire recorded presentation and confirm audio-video sync on each slide. If any slide has issues, re-record that slide rather than the whole deck. This saves time and preserves good takes. When satisfied, export the file as MP4 using Export Right Arrow Create a Video or Share Right Arrow Save as Video, choosing resolution and frame rate. Quick troubleshooting tip. If audio drifts or is out of sync, re-record the affected slide at 30 frames per second, or re-encode the final MP4 using a stable frame rate to align tracks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.